make Google Chrome your default browser, there are two ways to do it. You can either do it through the settings, or you can just open your Google Chrome. You click on the three dots and you select Settings. In the settings, you scroll down and you select default browser, and here you can click Mark Defaults. The settings will open, and in the settings you can select Chrome. Once done, you can just close your settings, and once done, the settings has been established. The Google Chrome becomes your default browser. Otherwise, you don't need to go through all of this. Sometimes you will have the option appearing on the top under the bookmarks bar. You just click on it and it should direct you to the settings, and you will have to redo the same step as explained.